Hello, and this is gonna be the Dairy Queen Chips Ahoy Blizzard review. This is what it looks like as those Chip Ahoy pieces, and there's these chip-shaped chocolate things, and it looks like vanilla ice cream, isn't it? See, there's one of the chips, chocolate chips, and then let's see if I can get a cookie piece. And this is a big cookie piece. That is a good. Well, the cookie part is good. What about the chip part? Chocolate chip part. That's good. I've seen the commercials for this, but I didn't think it would be that good. But it is. That is a good blizzard. I recommend you get this. It's one of the blizzard of the month. The Dairy Queen I went to has 3 blizzard of the months. One of them was s'mores, and another one was peanut butter pie, and then they had this one, the last one. That was good. I think you guys should try it if you like Chips Ahoy cookies. Like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends about these videos, tell your friends about this channel. Have a lovely day. Bye now. This is delicious. Try it. Bye.